Thank you to Typology for sponsoring. More on them later. I'm sharing spring makeup, recipes, journaling, and style in today's video. Won't you join me? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. My name is Jennifer, and I'm the author of the Madame Chic series and Connoisseur Kids. I love living well at home. Let's enjoy everyday life together in this video. Starting out with makeup. I haven't shared my makeup routine for a while on the channel, so I'm excited to do so now. As I apply the makeup, I'll list the products I'm using on the screen to save my editor a headache. And of course, I'll link them down below too. Also, if my skin is looking extra glowy and fabulous, it's because I'm wearing Typology's Glow Drops, which I'll tell you about in a bit. My makeup philosophy as I get older has really changed. I wear less makeup now. Or I guess I could say that I have a lighter touch with it, especially my eye makeup. I still like to have a super even complexion, so I enjoy wearing light foundation, and of course under eye concealer. On filming days, I do like to contour my face, because I find that the lighting usually does not bring out any angles or bone structure on my face. So I create those shadows with my cheekbones, nose, and jawline. Regarding my eye makeup, I have embraced my hooded eyes. I never really knew how to do eye makeup for hooded eyes, and I watched a lot of videos on it, but I realized that the videos on YouTube are all focused on opening up the eye and changing its inherent shape. But I actually love the look of hooded eyes, and I don't really want to open up my eye. I just want to enhance it and enhance the color. So I go pretty light now with the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. I still love to highlight my cheekbones and apply blush on my cheeks. And for my lips, I always love natural colors. This is 1990 by Merit, one of my favorite shades. It's so good. I'll link it all down below, of course. You probably noticed I'm wearing my outer known jumpsuit that I'm going to use for spring. I love it. I'll be sharing a completed 10-item wardrobe video with you soon. Now I want to share a delicious and light springtime lunch with you, chicken ramen. I start by taking some organic chicken tenders that have been chopped into small pieces and season them with salt and pepper. Then I add some flour to coat and toss it all together. In a large pot, I place some extra virgin olive oil and saute 1 chopped onion and some minced garlic. While that's browning, I prepare my ginger by peeling, slicing, and chopping it. I then add the chicken to the pan along with the chopped ginger, and I let that cook until the chicken is browned. Meanwhile, I chop 1 large bok choy and add that to the pan along with some bone broth, soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of dry sherry. The sherry is optional, but it adds a really lovely flavor. I let this cook for a bit, and then I add 3 packets of ramen noodles. I just put the noodles in, not the flavoring packet. After 3 minutes of cooking the noodles, I take the soup off the heat and I serve. To serve, I top it with chopped green onions. This is a delicious and easy ramen that everyone in the family loves. Spring is in full bloom here in Southern California, but we are still coming off the heels of the storm. I'm thoroughly enjoying the burst of blooms around our house. And now I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Typology, who have kindly sponsored this video. Typology is a French skincare brand created in Paris. They are the top-selling brand in France for online skincare, but are still under the radar in the United States. Their products are vegan, cruelty-free, fairly priced, healthy and effective, environmentally friendly, and 100% French. I mentioned that my skin looked really good earlier, and it's because of this combination. Their 9-ingredient face moisturizer, which gives your skin daily hydration and nourishment, which is made from only 9 essential ingredients, and the absolute powerhouse that is Glow Drops. These have 5% vitamin C and aloe vera. Enriched with antioxidants, this illuminating concentrate delivers radiance to your complexion instantly and over time. So I like to mix this with my moisturizer, or sometimes I'll mix it with my foundation, and it gives you a luminous glow. Check out the difference between before I started applying this and after. It's pretty amazing. So use my link below, and if you spend a minimum of $40, you can get a free blemish and wrinkle serum. Thank you to Typology for sponsoring today's video. You've seen this beautiful embroidered white cotton dress from my Pearl homemaking video. I want to show you how I layer it because, as you know, spring days can go from cold to hot. I like to wear this with the white Merci Chalet duster. It is perfect for creating a monochromatic chic look. Living in Southern California, I still love wearing sandals and sweaters together. And the yellow from the M. Jemmy sandals brings out a daisy-like cheerfulness from this outfit. Handbag is by WP Standards. And the pearl jewelry is by Sky. Because I have a minimal collection of sweaters and I wear them pretty heavily, I needed to refresh my sweaters for spring. This one is the Amalfi crewneck pullover in lily pad green from Merci. It has the most wonderful knit to it that allows it to be breathable but also warm, and it's perfect for spring. Wearing this with the Way High Everlane jeans, and the Thursday Boot leather sneakers. And now I want to share the secret to making oatmeal for your family where it comes out perfectly every time. If you have an Instant Pot, you must try making oatmeal in it. It couldn't be easier. I start by putting 1 cup of oatmeal in my Instant Pot. Then I add 2½ cups of water and a pinch of salt. That's it. I close the lid and put the vent on sealing. And then I cook this on high pressure for 3 minutes. It's perfectly creamy when it's done. I'm plating the oatmeal with some organic blackberries, the superfood mix. This time I'm using banana nut. I'll link it down below. And of course, extra pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of fiber and are full of antioxidants. On top of this, I pour some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and there you go, a delightfully easy and satisfying breakfast. Before I end the video, I want to get some journaling done. On Monday, we talked about keeping a commonplace book. The one I'm writing in here is not my commonplace book, but my creative work journal. I like to write down video ideas, book ideas, and poetry ideas in this journal. I dedicate 1 page or more to each topic, and if I do the video or write on the subject, I check it off. It's an interesting system, but I feel that my work has been deeper and more meaningful since I started keeping this particular journal. I used to write down my ideas anywhere and everywhere, but there's something powerful about having them all in one book. Same thing with the commonplace book. If you do any journaling practices, I would love to know about them. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I hope that it inspired you to live well at home. Thank you to Typology for sponsoring. Use my link below, and if you spend a minimum of $40, you will get a free blemish and wrinkle serum. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.